Hey, 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 this is what we're going to talk about in my new 4-part series. So these 4 pillars are absolutely mandatory within your business. If you are not using them in your business, you are not going to be successful. So the first pillar is mindset. Now, the thing that you have to understand with that is your business is your mindset. Plain and simple. So what you're doing on a day-to-day basis within your business, that's your mindset. You're answering DMs, sending out ebooks, you're making your videos. Your mind has to be right, okay? If it's not, then your content's going to be crap. With that being said, let me ask you this. What is one thing that you do every day in your life to better your business or yourself? Is it going to the gym every day at 6 o'clock in the morning? Or is it going by Starbucks every day and getting you a coffee on your way to work? That's all part of your mindset. Remember how you felt when you first started this journey? You were hungry, you were driven, you were just gonna knock this out of the park. Do you still feel that way today? Are you still motivated? Because if you're not, your mindset's not right. Do you need a mindset reset? It's okay to have to reset. It's all right. Because once you realize that your mindset is not right and you fix it, you're going to start seeing things improving within your business and within your life in general. Because not only is your business your mindset, but mindset is key to everything, guys. So go ahead and hit that follow button because you're definitely not going to want to miss out on any of these 4 pillars.